The Tempi'po'op Trail at Anasazi Valley is one of many amazing places on the Santa Clara River Reserve, one of many beautiful areas in Greater Zion. This trail is a family-friendly, easy hike that anybody can enjoy, with an added touch of history. From St. George, travel to Santa Clara on Sunset Boulevard. Continue driving on Sunset Boulevard as it turns into Santa Clara Drive, about 2.8 miles past Santa Clara. Turn left onto South Anasazi Road. Follow this road for a few hundred feet, and to the right is a large parking area / trailhead and a pit toilet. This trail takes about 1.2 miles to reach the basalt boulders that have petroglyphs, but continues on for about 3.5 miles in total. There are several signs pointing to the Tempi'po'op Trail, and although other paths cross it, it is fairly easy to follow the signs to the summit. Once you reach the sign that gives some detail about the petroglyphs, you know you've made it. As you are exploring, watch your step. There are many panels carved on boulders that are easy to trip on if you are not paying attention. Be sure to hike down off the ridge and through the boulders to get the best view of the petroglyphs. There are several panels and glyphs on the rocks along the cliff. Hundreds of images from small geometric shapes to large bighorn sheep adorn these rocks. The artwork, the history, and feeling of observing such a well-preserved piece of the past will amaze you. Please note that adding to or erasing these historic drawings is not allowed. Respecting the natural history of them is vital to keeping these drawings here for all to see. It is believed that the petroglyphs were made by the ancestral Puebloans, who were also known as the Anasazi. Today, these petroglyphs serve as a reminder of Greater Zion's prehistoric residents and their enduring connections to the nature that many people still feel today. These are a beautiful, natural history of the area. On the trail, you will most likely see a lot of plants and animals. In spring and early summer, you will see the beavertail prickly pear blooming along the trail. This is a gorgeous green cactus with beautiful bright pink blooming flowers. Another wildflower you could also see is the common paintbrush, which has red blooming flowers on a nice little green plant. So bring your friends for a fun hike to scope out some of St. George's coolest historic art. Enjoy journeying Tempi'po'op Trail at Anasazi Valley.